Telegram group link, how to copy and share group link in Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can copy and share group link in Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to copy and share the group link in Telegram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Telegram application here. Now whether it is your own group or whether it is someone else's group, let's say you want to go ahead and then basically share the group link, all you have to do is open that group. Tap on the group name from the very top of the screen, and right here you'll actually find the invite link. Now if you want, you can also have the QR code by tapping the QR code option and sharing this QR code to someone, or you can just tap on the link and choose the option called copy link from the bottom, and then you can choose to share this link to anybody if you'd like. This way you can go ahead and then copy and share group link in Telegram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.